take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Straight or diluted vinegar can be sprayed around the edges of a garden, and on plants, fences, posts and garden decor to keep cats away. Spray every few days or as often as needed to repel cats. Areas likely will need to be sprayed again after rain or watering.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
While the scent of vinegar is not a problem for them physically, they just don't like it. Because of that, vinegar can serve as a natural deterrent if there's an area you'd like your cats to avoid. When diluted, the smell is much fainter, and vinegar can be a great tool for cleaning without chemicals.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
White vinegar is one of many repellents, few of which will discourage testosterone-fueled tomcats looking for girlfriends. Other short-term solutions include scattering orange and lemon peels or spraying with citrus-scented fragrances, spreading coffee grounds, pipe tobacco, oil of lavender, citronella or eucalyptus.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.